Hey guys, it's Anders here from the Baking Steel Studio, and today we are making one of my favorites, the pepperoni pizza. It's a classic, it's amazing, it's super easy to make. We've got the ingredients, we've got our baking steel heating up. Let's jump right into this. All right, our dough just finished a 3-hour final proof, and it's ready to be transformed into the perfect pizza crust. Let's press it out. Start by pressing the dough with your fingertips, working from the center outward. And be careful not to press the edges too much. We want that beautiful puffy crust. All right, next we're gonna pick it up and place it on the back of our knuckles. Like a steering wheel, just rotate it and let gravity do the work. And this technique will help stretch that dough evenly without tearing it. Just when I think I'm done, I'm gonna give it one last stretch. Take your wooden peel and lightly dust it. I like a combination of semolina, flour, and flour. Give it a little brush, place your dough right on top. All right, let's sauce it up. I'm using Bianco DiNapoli's organic tomato sauce. This stuff is packed with flavor, and it's perfect for New York style pizza at home. For the cheese, I'm using Trader Joe's low moisture mozzarella, both skim and whole milk. Always grate it yourself. Spread both cheeses over the crust and make sure to cover it nicely. And then we're gonna layer on the pepperoni. We're ready to launch. Let's give it one more jiggle. Launch that pizza onto your scorching hot baking steel for that perfect crispy crust. Halfway done, let's take a peek. It's done. Look at this beauty. Absolutely pizza perfection. And there you have it, pepperoni pizza perfection on our baking steel. Isn't it gorgeous? And remember, like, subscribe, and share this video for more pizza inspiration.